Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our 12 plus 1 Ultra Smartwatch, and this time we are going to check on the preloaded watch faces for this wearable, and at the same time we are going to download additional watch face for this smartwatch with a Fitpro application. As you can see, we have the dial settings. Okay, so if you want to learn more about the smartwatch, especially the available watch faces, watch this video. And if you have any questions regarding this video tutorial, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start checking on our Ultra 12 plus 1 smartwatch, also branded as the X10, I think, T10, and other names for this wearable. Okay, but the truth is just the same smartwatch, just minor or few tweaks to change it, to make it different from this model. Okay, but so far they are all using Fitpro, I think. Okay, so let's check on the available watch faces for this smartwatch. We'll also download and we'll also check if there is a custom watch face. Okay, first let's go with this smartwatch. Okay, the preloaded watch faces. So we have at least one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 watch faces, I think. Yes, 5 watch faces. You can also access this on the settings, I think. So this is the menu style. Let's check. Go with the list. Okay, so let's check here. More, and let's see. Is it available here? No. Back to dials. Nope. Backlight time. Okay, so seems like you can only access the watch face directly here on the main UI. Okay, so let's see. So here you can directly access it here. For some other models, the menu is also available on the settings, but in our case here, all you have to do is just rotate the crown button here to change the watch face. Okay, for additional watch face, you have to pair your smartwatch with the Fitpro application. Go here on the set menu, select dial settings. Okay, so let's see. And we have here the different watch faces available for your Ultra Plus 1. So we have pointer dial, we have space dial, cartoon dial, we also have holiday dial, digital dial, machine dial, and custom dial. Okay, there's a typo here, as you can see. Okay, let's go with the machine dial here. Let's select. I like this one. I like the gears. Or maybe this one. Okay, I'm going to pick this one. Okay, let's remove this so we can focus on our watch faces. So I'm going to install this one, the gear watch face. So let's see, it's now loading. During the dial upgrade process, in order to prevent the upgrade from failing, please do not return the app to the background. Got it. Okay, so dial installation. Let's see. Okay, so we have the progress bar here, and our smartwatch already switched to downloading mode. Okay, let's wait. 12%. Later on, I'm going to check on the different watch faces. Let's browse the different categories. So if you want to check on the available watch faces for the smartwatch, you have to watch this video till the end. Okay, 33%. Let's wait. Okay, we are almost done here, and let's see. Okay, our smartwatch restarted. And we have our custom watch face here. I mean our gear watch face. Okay, beautiful watch face here so far. As you can see, we have an animation. I like this one. Okay. Oh, I also like this. So these are the machine dial watch faces. Let's go with the pointer dial. Seems like we have a lot of options. Oh no, only limited options for the pointer dial here. Okay. Space dial. Cartoon dial. Go back. So holiday dial. Okay, go back. Digital dial. Back, it's all free. And we have a custom dial. So we are going to download the custom dial also. So far, these are the list of watch faces for our smartwatch. Beautiful animation here so far. Okay, so let's go with the custom dial. Let's pick one. Okay, let's pick this one. Install. So upper left and the bottom right. So upper left here. Okay, so this is our time here. If you want to select this one, it will change here. Okay, it will transfer. Okay, it will change position. So select. Let's pick a photo. So we have the permission here. Allow Fitpro to access photos, media, and files on your device. Allow. And let's select this one. Okay. Check. So we have a custom watch face. And install. It's now loading. Okay, did it proceed? No. Did not proceed. Again, install. Okay, got it. Okay, that's it. Okay, it's now downloading our custom watch face. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see here, we are almost finished. 98%. And okay, as you can see here, our smartwatch restarted. And we have our custom watch face. Okay, we have successfully installed our custom watch face for our 12+1 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so that's it so far. We have explored the different categories of our watch face section. And as you can see, as you notice here, the previous preloaded watch faces is still here. Okay, seems like you can only change one watch face here. Okay, if you have downloaded the previous watch face, it will be okay override by the new watch face that you have downloaded. Okay, so that's it for the 12+1 smartwatch watch face section or dial. So if you have any questions regarding the available dials or watch faces for your 12+1 smartwatch, just check this video or you can drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Goodbye.